Have you ever seen a nigga like moi? Each and every lady wanna give me So they smoke weed, me know they smoke cigar. Now me there, I tryna move for me, hey, hold it to me. One day, me daddy don't get my.
Guys, so I am done getting ready, and this is the dress. I look incredible as always. Like, just sometimes I will see myself and I just feel like picking up the phone and calling my mother and telling her, thank you, mom, because you did a thing. Thank you, mom, for giving birth to this damsel. Because are you crazy? Are you insane? Okay, I'm going downstairs to go take the pictures. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 3 in Greece. So guys, a lot has actually happened since morning. I don't know, wait, my camera is kind of like, I have no idea if you can tell, but I actually changed my room. This is the room I booked initially. Guys, this trip, so I first of all booked 4 days, and this was the room I booked. But then everyone I told that I booked 4 days are like, 4 days? What are you going to do there in 4 days? What do you mean? You might as well just stay back. I was like, okay. Then I had to like book another 2 days, and this room wasn't available for that 2 days. So they gave me another room, which was the old room I had. So today I had to move down here. I asked them if it was possible for me to continue staying in the other room, but they told me no, that the old room has been booked for today. So I was like, yeah. So I had to like carry all my stuff down here, and again I slept so hard I almost missed breakfast. Guys, I woke up at 11 o'clock. I went to bed at 4 o'clock yesterday night because I was trying to see how I could transfer all the clips from the phone to my laptop, just so I can free up a little bit of space to continue vlogging, but I wasn't successful. But that's by the way. I'm here now. Today is beach day. I am so excited. Finally I am going to the beach. And as someone who grew up in Enugu, Nigeria, we don't have any beach there. So I've been to a beach before, but I've never like stayed on a beach before. So this is like my first ever like beach day experience, and I'm so excited. Let me show you guys what I'll be putting on. So this is my beach wear. Guys, I know I haven't been talking a lot on this vlog, and that's actually on purpose because I don't want to yabba you guys. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing, and I also don't want this vlog to be long. So this is my gym so this is my beach wear. I got it from Shein. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's like this. I'm gonna wear it and you guys will see it very soon. Then this is, oops, give me a second. So this is the bra, a thingy, you guys see that, and it has like this skirt cover up, so beautiful. But because I have to walk through the streets to get to the beach, I think it's actually a beach club, yeah. So this is, I'll be covering up with this. This is from Primark, and this trouser, this linen trouser I got from H&M. So let's get ready. I am so excited. Guys, so I am done getting ready. I want to show you guys something. You see such glasses, I never believed that I could pull such glasses off, or like it's gonna fit me. But wait, let me show you something. Sorry, come again. You are saying, nah, I know you say this, like I know you say this, what the hell? So let me quickly this is the bag I am going with. I got this bag also from Shein. So let me pack the stuff I'm gonna go with. I have a glow oil here. This is also scented. I have another oil for like the pictures to pop, you know. So I'm gonna put it inside here. A lip gloss. This is my hand cream from Rituals. A book I may or may not read. This book is so good. I started it on the plane and it's just so good. See, I found 10 euros. I have some tissue, disinfectant, sunscreen, my wallet. I don't even know if it's a good idea going with this because I will have no one looking after my stuff when I go into the water. So you know what, I'm just gonna go with my card. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with my card. Yeah, but where do I keep it though? Okay, I'm gonna put it inside the book. Should I just empty my card? Okay, I'm gonna empty my wallet and just put the card inside. But I don't want someone to just take it. I feel like there's something inside. So I'm just gonna try to put it inside this book. So this is a cover up of the bikini pants. This is another cover up in case it gets a little bit chilly. So the weather outside is so nice. So it's just my phone and my AirPods that are gonna come inside here. Also the camera. And we are ready to go. I don't know if I should wear, this is the full fit by the way. I have the slippers I got from New Yorker. I don't know if I should tie this like this. I don't know if I should tie it. Should I tie it, guys? I don't know. Let's go to the beach, beach, beach. Let's go to the beach. Hey, let's go to the beach, beach, beach. Let's go to the beach. Hey, hey. Again, other glasses. Sorry. Like, sorry for you.
I did put a cut and kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now something remake with that pain all over. My feelings still they swing like.
Guys, I forgot to get a towel, so I am going back to the hotel now to go get it. Very, very irritating and frustrating.
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like yo send me.
Guys, you see this life, you see this content creation life, it is not easy. I look like a mad woman and I've been here for like, I don't know, I've literally been shooting for the past 1 hour, taking pictures and all that. And now I just want to relax. I just, you know, want to relax and have a cocktail. There's another beach club close by. I think they offer like drinks and all that. But the sunbeds were 10 euros to rent them. So when I saw this one, I was like, please give me this one. This one is free. That 10 euros, I can use it and buy a cocktail. I'm a Niger babe. Let me see if I can order something to drink. Jesus, and the way people are looking at me, like, Alice, good? Are you okay? Oh my god, literally, this man is looking at me as okay, he's looking at me, literally, he cannot remove his eyes from me. Why? Stop look. I know you've not seen a goddess, but please just stop with the stairs. Oh my goodness. Ugh.
his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Guys, so I am back at the hotel right now. I quickly took a shower because I wanted to enter the city, and I'm ready. I'm rushing because yeah, there's no time, guys. The way time flies by. I really had the hopes of like doing OOTD with you guys here on YouTube, but that's not working. Time is passing whenever you are having enjoyment. That is when time will remember to be running, to be doing the same boats. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Guys, I lost my remote control at the beach today. Crazy. And my camera actually died, so I couldn't like film much. And that beach, like, it's not like a serviced beach. The side I was at is not where you go and they'll be bringing you fruits, food and drinks. It wasn't that type of beach. So probably maybe some other time when I go there, I'll go to the side that is serviced so I can like order stuff, because I'm actually very hungry. My top is H&M. This maxi crochet skirt is from TK Maxx. I actually got it because of this trip. Yeah. Then slippers, I have this from Zara. I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear this one from New Yorker or this one. This is the one I have on right now, but I think I ended up wearing this one because this one kind of brought the outfit down. So yeah, I want to enter the city, just see the city a little bit, buy like proper Cretan, they call it Cretan. Okay, in German I'll say Cretan, but here in English you say Cretan food, like Cretan snacks, and then like buy a few souvenirs, just see what's going on in the city. It's quite hot, so yeah, let's go guys. I want to come back early today. I need to start posting stuff. I haven't been posting content because no time. Let's go. There's a Zara, guys. I found the Zara. Let's go see what their Zara looks like. Ah. Guys, I think this is cute. Looks cute. Let me try it on. No matter the content, they will eat and give no crumbs. This is also cute, guys. Very nice. Yeah. This fountain is very significant here. All the TikToks about CRETE that I've seen has this fountain. So I really don't know the story behind it, but as you can see, there are a lot of people, like so many people. The way these people are looking at me, like I thought Germans could look, but people here, the Greeks, I don't even know if it's the Greeks themselves, but the way people are looking at me, they are not so much black people. I don't know if that's why they are always like so looking at me, but yeah. So I'm just looking for somewhere to eat right now. I will have to settle down and have dinner here. I'm not like the papa get ready with me and go to fancy restaurants. So let's see, let's find somewhere that is very nice to eat. And as I'm talking right now, there are two men by my right literally looking at me. It's crazy, it's crazy. You guys see that guy wearing black on my back? He was looking at me. I think inside is okay because it's a bit fresh outside. Yeah. Can I sit over there?
How many people?
Just me.
Is it okay for me to sit for like these single tables?
Okay, but I don't want to sit in the middle. I can sit here. Yes, I can sit here. Okay, thank you so much.
Hold on, I think this one is
Reserved? Oh, okay.
I'm not really sure, but two.
No, I don't want to sit there. Guys, so I found this place. I want to eat pasta, so I found this place that has like huge Italian vibes. So I think that means the pasta is gonna be good. So I'm just gonna sit down here and okay, can I have like pepper? Chili? Chili. Thank you. How much is this? So you told me €1. No, €1. Okay. This girl wants to literally, she wants to rip me up. She gave me the flour. Okay, take it. I don't want it anymore. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, this little child literally just ripped me off right now. She gave me this flour and told me it was for €1. Then I asked her to take me where to buy ice cream. So I don't know, like she was saying something, I really don't. Let me get to the hotel, I'll tell you guys very well, but people are kind of looking at me, okay? Let me see what you have. What's that? Toppings for the ice cream. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me see what you have.
Normal chocolates, caramel, Oreo.
Okay, Oreos. Please.
Anything else?
No. That. Thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Bye. Hi loves, it's now much later in the day. I think around, it's not even that much, it's around 1:20, and I'm ready to go for my safari experience. I don't know if I mentioned that this morning, but I booked a safari experience, the whole boogie driving through the safari. Is it called boogie? I mean boga. It's definitely no boga, but boogie sha, you know that big motorcycle. You get what I mean, I'm going to show you guys later. So they're going to come pick me up at 1:30 and it's 1:20, so I really have to rush. I was so productive today, guys. I edited pictures, I edited a reel, I did a YouTube video, guys. A vlog is uploading as we are speaking right now. Yeah, hopefully it will come on tonight. So I want to do a quick OOTD for you guys. I just threw on something very comfortable. I have this linen top from H&M. This bag, you guys already know by now. My, what's this called? The singlet or whatever. It's from, I think, Primark. My shorts is from Zara. At this point, Zara needs to sponsor me because what the hell, Zara and H&M sponsor me. Then my sandals, I wear a sandal because I need something comfortable and something that won't fly away. My sandals are from Esprit, I think last summer. All the activities that I've done here in Greece, I'm going to put like the location and the price and the rating. Everything is going to be in this vlog. Literally, I'm going to edit this vlog so hard that anyone who watches this will want to come to Greece. No information will be left out. I wanted to put on some makeup, but I don't know, I feel like I'm going to be sweating, so I just decided to leave it. These glasses, I don't even know if I'm going to need them, but we just put it on. Okay, bye guys. Georges, this is them, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hi. Can I sit here? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
1, 2.
1. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hotel. We're going there, on va y aller là-bas after for the village. This village, everybody go to Aya Balagia, notre village. Everybody, tout le monde is en partie.
Guys, we stopped at this village, so I ordered like the traditional food here in Greece. It's called pita and some oranges. Yes, this is giving me donor vibes, honestly. Guys, this is the best orange juice. Every other orange juice I've had So now we just rubbish because this is pure orange. Very good. Hi guys, good morning. So today is day 5 in Greece and today is Santorini cruise day. Oh my god, I am so excited. I am holding back myself from showing how excited I am because a lot of people are kind of watching me now, like the people I'm going on this trip with. But it is so amazing. I feel so blessed. When I heard about this trip or this cruise, I was like, yes, please give it to me. I mean, I'm already in Greece, so why not go to Santorini, you get? So yeah, it's quite early now. I think it's like 7 o'clock, so we're just waiting for our bus to come pick us up, and we are skedaddling to Santorini. I look cute, by the way, and my hotel packed me a lunchbox. How cute is that? I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm wearing. I have this white shirt from Zara. This is from H&M, and the black pants also from H&M. The slippers is what I've been wearing literally the whole trip. So yeah, Santorini.
To go back to your hotels. Now please follow me.
Guys, I picked up my ticket and apparently my name is Amaka. Hello. Guys, so I am finally seated right now, and honestly, like when I booked this trip, I didn't know what I was thinking about. But I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this huge. Like this ship is massive, like literally. I am seat number 2090 just on this row, and there are a lot of people here. It's crazy. I'm so excited, by the way. I'm actually so happy. You guys can do that outside, so I could literally stand up and go outside. So yeah, I'm excited. Santorini, here we come. Just like a little cafe over there. So guys, the day is planned in a way that they will take us through some villages. And I don't know if we will have to embark, like when we get to these villages or not. But the final stop is like Santorini, and you know we'll get to come down, see Santorini, have food and all that. By the way, I look so beautiful. Can we get into the skin? Like the sun here is different. I've been glowing differently since I came on this trip, but that's by the way. Yeah, so when we get to Santorini, we'll have time to like do anything we want to do, and then they'll come pick us up after that. I'm so excited. Today's my last day actually. I don't know if I mentioned that. Today's my last day in Greece and I am so angry. Guys, I am actually so hungry. At my hotel, And like no cap, the nicest people. But now I can't open this shit. Oh, this is so cute. This sandwich. Oh, this is so cute. Guys, we are now walking through the streets of Santorini. There hasn't been much to see actually. My glass is kind of falling off my face. It's a little bit too big for my face, so I'm having to like adjust it the whole time. So, one, I just had the best frozen yogurt now. And it tastes so good. I think I'm gonna buy it. Guys, I need to change my outfit because I brought another outfit here. So I'm looking for like a toilet where I can change it.
In the middle, between 250 meters from here is a clock tower. It's a back bar.
Keeps getting better. What the hell is this? Who built this? Guys, now that's a view. I actually wanted to change into another outfit for the pictures, but unfortunately the outfit was kind of not working. The girls were all over the place and there was no way I was gonna wear that here. So this view is breathtaking. Like it's giving Santorini. I want to buy a souvenir for myself and for my family and friends. There's a bracelet I wanted to buy, but I just feel like it's overpriced. It has like a little Chanel engravement on it, but I'm not sure. And I'm also like very hungry. I just pray these videos are not like too dark because I have to like reduce everything. The sun is so bright. This is the best time to come to places like this, because if you dare come in like June, July, where it's like, I don't know, 35-40 degrees, you're gonna run mad. So please don't do it, okay? So let me go look for something to eat because we're supposed to go back to the bus at like 1. And there's a frozen yogurt I tested. It was heaven. So I think I'm gonna go back, decide if I want to buy the bracelet, buy the frozen yogurt, just something else to eat because I'm actually very hungry, and then see y'all. I want to fly for Santorini, make money, don't you see me? Tenny. This is the place Tenny sang about. Lovely. So this lady said I should go down the stairs, that it's a better view and there's no one there. So down the stairs we are going. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall. Go through here. It is not easy trying to vlog for YouTube, for TikTok, and for Instagram. Oh my god, I feel like I'm lost. Okay. Sorry. Wow. So hello, so we are back at the hotel. I am back from Santorini right now. I just went to the bar, you guys saw that. I had a drink. Today, like I said, is my last day, and I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who made it to the very end. Thank you guys so much. I leave tomorrow and I am so sad. Like, this has been the best trip and the best 1 week of my life. My recommendation is that everyone should at least take a solo trip once, at least once in their life. Guys, I have like a breakout here, but that's by the way. The quad biking yesterday was very lovely. Our instructor was so nice, very funny. Like, everything I did was just so worth it. Like, at this point I'm not even mad about all the money that I spent, because it was so worth it. This is an experience that money can actually not describe. I am so grateful to God for being here, for doing this for myself, and it's just like, I'm just so grateful. And I'm grateful to you guys for giving me out an outlet to like showcase my life, my experience, and share my experience with you guys as well. All the information about restaurant, hotel, booking, whatnot shall be in the description box below, or even on the screen. Like, I'm gonna type everything as they are happening. Okay, today I just need to pack right now and go to the club later on, and I'm not gonna film that because I just want to have a time where I am not worried about content and all that. So with that being said, we have come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and yeah, until, you know, another travel vlog. I promise you guys there will be more of this as long as there's money flowing in. Thank you so much, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and do share, like, comment. Please follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you so much for all the love on TikTok, by the way, and also on Instagram. I love you guys so much. I picked this necklace up. I don't know if you guys saw. You guys definitely saw when I picked this necklace up. I also picked up a bangle. Yeah, I picked this bangle up as well. So this is like my souvenir to myself for being in Greece. Thank you guys so much. Good night. Bye.